Let's talk about some shocking tax lien facts that you should know as you're launching your business and getting into tax lien investing, as well as some tax deed investing as well. But the wonderful world of tax lien investing is riddled with some very interesting nuances and fun facts that you as a new investor should absolutely know. So let's chat about that here today on today's wonderful video. So first off, this business has been around for over 200 years. It basically goes back to the beginning of when tax codes started to go nationwide in the US. And at the end of the day, some people say, well, what happens if the tax lien and deed business changes? And my answer to that is the only way this business opportunity is going to disappear is if the wonderful US government says one day, you know what? We are done charging property tax. That's right. Moving forward from this day on, there will be no more property tax. So, if that's a legitimate concern, I don't recommend you get into tax lien and deed investing. Yeah, it's been around for a good 200 years. Now, here's an interesting thing about liens, right? Because when we talk about tax lien investing, it wipes out the mortgage. And how does it wipe out the mortgage? Like when you hear mortgage-free properties for pennies on the dollar, how does that work? So all liens are in the shape of a pyramid, like this kind of crappy piece of paper. No, let's use this. This is a better pyramid. Good pyramid, right? And anything at the base of the pyramid has priority. And there is no more priority than the tax lien. Okay. So everything above, like mortgages, mechanics liens, all that. So whichever lien is foreclosing wipes out the liens above it, right? So this is why it's called the priority of a lien. And this is why 95% of tax lien certificates redeem themselves, is because the government sends out notices to everybody else, right? If say let's say a $200,000 house, and from there's a $100,000 mortgage. So what's going to happen? The county sends the notice to the mortgage company and they're like, hey, taxes haven't been paid. Pay the taxes or we're going to foreclose and you're going to get wiped out. So this is why 95% of the time tax liens redeem. Banks will redeem that property because they don't want to get wiped out. Now, here's another fun fact. Banks are one of the largest investors of tax lien certificates. So while you have your money in your savings account, the bank is taking that money and going and buying tax liens and making an interest rate. I've seen this before at auctions. There'll be a banker there and just blow through $1 million, 7, 8, 9% interest, boom. They're paying you like practically nothing on your money. Meanwhile, they are buying tax lien certificates with your money. So if you haven't bought tax liens, if you have more than $100 savings in the bank right now, maybe that money's being used for tax lien certificates as you speak.